Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Giriduri, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to create EFS and mount to EC2 instances. So here EFS stands for Elastic File System, and it is a simple, scalable, fully managed elastic network file system, also known as NFS. With EFS, you can create a file system, mount that file system on an Amazon EC2 instance, and then read and write data to and from file systems. So EFS provides facilities that it can grow and shrink your file systems automatically as you need and remove files. This eliminates the need to provision and manage capacity to accommodate growth. And Amazon EC2 instances running in multiple availability zones within the same AWS region can access the file systems so that many users can access, share and common data sources. So guys, and here you can see this is the official documentation from Amazon EFS. Here you can see Amazon Elastic File System and serverless fully elastic file storage, and here you can see 5 GB of standard storage for 12 months with AWS free tier account. That means if you are using AWS free tier account, 5 GB standard storage data will be free for 12 months guys. And here you can see benefits of Amazon EFS. Here these are all the benefits guys. Quick, quick and easy to create, elastic and scalable, pay as you go, and secure and reliable. These are the benefits of EFS, guys. When you select this, quick and easy to create. Here you can see create and configure shared file system, simple and quick for AWS compute service. So no provisioning, deploying, and patching or maintenance required. And here you can see elastic and scalable. Scale workloads on demand to petabytes of storage and gigabytes per seconds of throughput out of the box. So here you can see pay as you go, pay as you go. That means reduce TCO with automatic lifecycle management. So cost optimized infrequent access and archive storage classes designed to lower cost up to 97%. Here pay as you go model means if we are using Amazon EFS for if we are using 1 GB of data for Amazon EFS, Amazon will charge for that 1 GB of data. That that's why we call it as pay as you go. And here you can see secure and reliable. Secure and reliable access your files with fully managed file systems designed for 99.999% durable and up to 99.99% of available. And these are the benefits of EFS guys. And here you can see this is the structure. Right now we are going to create, first we are going to create two different EC2 instances. After that we are going to attach IAM role to this EC2 instances. For this IAM role we are going to give permissions like EC2 full access and EFS full access, or else you can give directly administrator permissions also. And after creating this EC2 instances we need to create EFS, and we need to attach that EFS to this EC2 instances guys. And let's start our video guys. Here you can see previously I have created two different EC2 instances. So first let's try to connect to this EC2 instances using MoboXtem. Copy public IPv4 address and come to MoboXtem and select session SSH, and you need to paste your public IPv4 address, and then here you need to go EC2-user, and we need to go path of our key pair guys. So same like this, let's connect another instance. It was connected. Let's connect instance to select session SSH, and we need the public IPv4 address, and we need to select instance 2 and copy public IPv4 address and paste it here, EC2-user, and here we need to give the path of our key pair guys. You can see now it was connected. Now I will keep in multi-execution mode and I will update this sudo yum update -y and sudo -i to become root user guys. Let's clear the screen and let's come to root folder, and when I hit LL, here you can see we don't have our EFS. So let's clear the screen and let's create. Here you can see we don't have EFS directory. Let's create a directory mkdir EFS. So here when I hit LL, here you can see EFS. Here it was created EFS and here it was created EFS. And let's clear the screen and let's hit df-h. Here you can see we didn't attach EFS file system to this EC2 instances. So let's directly go to EFS and let's create EFS guys. And I will open it in a new tab. And this is EFS guys. And you need to select create file system. And we need to give name. I'm giving my EFS. And here we need to select under which VPC we are going to create this EFS. So I'm going to create under my VPC. I'm going to select that. And I'm going to select customize. And here we are going to select regional, and we are going with enhanced mode and select next. And in networking we are going with my VPC, and let's remove, yes, we are going with the default security groups, and you can keep your own security groups. If you are going to create some other security groups, you can create the security groups, and you need to give you need to attach the security groups here guys, and simply select next and select next. And these are all the details of EFS which you have been given, and select create. And here you can see it is in creating state guys. It takes nearly 5 seconds to complete. So when I reload this, you can see it is in available state guys. So now we need to go to security groups guys. So we need to go to security, and here we need to go to security groups, and in security groups we need to give access to NFS guys. So you need to select edit inbound groups, and here select add rule, and here you need to select NFS guys. You can see you need to select this NFS, and the default port number of NFS is 2049. You need to select this. If you are not selecting this NFS as an inbound rule, you cannot access EFS in your EC2 instance guys. So I'm giving 0.0.0/0 means anyone from anywhere can access. So I'm going to select this save rule. So for this security groups, you can see we are attached for port 22 is SSH, 2049 is for EFS, that means NFS, URL and all traffic. So leave this and come to security group, and these are the security groups, and let's go to EFS, and you need to select my EFS, and after you need to select attach guys. Here you need to select attach, and here you need to select mount VIP, or else you can select this also guys. Using NFS client URL you can select this also, or else you can select this also guys. I'm going with this guys. So let's go to here first, and let's exit multi execution mode. Let's come here, and here you can see when I hit df-h, here we didn't attach our EFS. So here also let's clear the screen. When I hit df-h, we didn't attach EFS guys. So when I hit LL, previously we have created a directory that is EFS. So here also when I hit LL, previously we have created a directory EFS. Not only EFS guys, you can create whatever you want. Let's clear the screen, and let's come to EFS and copy this, and come to here and paste it here guys. And here you can see we have created a directory uh, with name EFS. So that's why I'm going with EFS. Or else if you are going to create some other names, you can give that name here guys. So it will mount to that directory. Simply select enter. So when I hit now df-h, you can see it was mounted. See, it was mounted to EFS. So here also when I hit df-h, here it will not mount guys. So again come here and copy this and paste it here guys. And when I hit enter, and when I hit again df-h, now it will attach here guys. You can see previously here you can see it doesn't attach, but now it was attached because we have mounted the EFS here guys. So let's clear the screen, and let's do LL, and let's enter into EFS directory here. So cd EFS. So when I hit LL, here we don't have even one file or any of the directory. So let's come here and let's clear the screen. LL. let's go to this directory guys, EFS. So cd EFS, and let's clear the screen. So when I hit LL, here we don't have any files, but we have mounted our, sorry, here you can see we have mounted this EFS to this directory, EFS directory. So let's create a file here guys. So touch file one. Here you can see we have created a file, and when I hit LL, here you can see this is the file, file one. So here when I come here, previously when I hit LL, we don't have any files. So here now when I hit LL, here you can see automatically we have created this file one here, but automatically transferred to here. This is the power of EFS guys. So now let's create a directory here. So right now we have only one file. Here also I'm showing guys, right now we have only one file. So let's create a directory here, mkdir dir1. So when I tell here you can see we have created a directory. Here we don't create a directory guys. So when I hit LL, automatically it will come guys. So here you can see dir1. So this is the power of EFS guys. And let's do another thing guys. vi file one. So let's keep it in chat mode. I'm giving hi Vijay and I'm saving this. So when I tell here you can see we have written hello Vijay in this file one. So I will come here and I will do cat file one. Here you can see hi Vijay, and you can see this is how we use EFS guys. So let's do one thing. Here you can see previously we have created EFS. Previously we have created two different EC2 instances, and we have created EFS, and we have mounted that EFS to these two EC2 instances, and we have created a file in one EC2 instance, and automatically using EFS it automatically comes to another EC2 instance. So this is happened. So now let's terminate this two EC2 instance guys. Let's terminate this two EC2 instance, and now let's create another two EC2 instances, and let's create HTTPD web server guys in both the EC2 instances, and let's deploy any of the application in any of the EC2 instance guys. And first let's create two different EC2 instances, and let's mount our EFS to where www html path guys. So whenever we deployed any of the file in any of the EC2 instance EFS path, so automatically it will deploy to all the EC2 instances in the TFS paths guys. So let's do that. So let's come here and let's reload this, and one EC2 instance has been terminated and one it is in running state, and let's reload this, and let's use this EFS. Okay, so let's use this EFS only guys, and I'll remove this, and let's come to EC2, and we need to select launch instance, and here I'm giving EFS 1. I'm going to create two instance, so I'm giving here two guys. So I'm going to select Amazon Linux, and T2 micro is enough. I'm going with to select key pair. I'm going to create under my VPC, and here you can see I'm going to create two EC2 instance in public subnet 1 guys. That means I'm going to create two EC2 instance under availability zone of US East 1A, and we need to keep this in enable state, and let's create a security group guys. I'm giving SG, and here also I'm giving SG, and here you can see I'm giving access to port 22 only guys. I'm going to give access to only SSH, and let's directly 8 GB is enough guys, and let's directly launch instance. Now two instance will be created guys, and let's uncheck this. Meanwhile let's remove this. Let's reload, and you can see Let's change this name to EFS2 and let's keep instant state is equal to running, guys. Instant state is equal to running. Now let's connect to EFS1. Copy public IPv4 address, come to mobile extend, select session, select SSH, and copy public IPv4 address here, and here EC2-user. And here we need to go the path of the key pair, guys. And you can see it was connected. Again, select session, SSH, and come to here and select EFS2, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to give the public IPv4 address here and EC2-user. And we need to give the path of the key pair. So let's keep in multi-execution mode and let's do sudo yum update -y and sudo -i to become root user. Sorry, sudo -i to become root user, guys. Now let's install HTTPD web server. So sudo yum install HTTPD-y. So systemctl start HTTPD, and we need to enable this, guys. So systemctl enable HTTPD, and we need to see the status, guys. Now systemctl status HTTPD. So let's exit multi-execution mode. Let's come here, and here you can see our HTTPD server is active and running and it is in enable state. So let's come here. Here also you can see it is in active and running and it is in enable state, guys. So let's exit from here. Let's clear the screen, and here also let's exit from here. Let's clear the screen, and let's create. When I hit LL, we don't have any even one directory, guys. So let's create a directory, or else let's come to root cd slash. Here also I'll come to cd slash. So here when I hit LL, here previously we installed here HTTPD web server. So this is the path, guys. So let's go to this path, cd where enter and LL, and here you can see www. So cd www. So when I tell here you can see HTML. In this we need to create our files index. We need to create index.html files, guys. Here I have written this also, guys. So when we come here, you can see we need to push our index.html file to our EFS, guys. So we need to mount. I will show you, guys. Let's directly come to EFS. Let's first come here. Let's do cd. Let's come to root cd slash. Same here, follow my steps, guys. Cd and come to root folder by using cd slash. When I hit LL, okay, let's clear the screen. Come to EFS, guys, and copy NFS client, guys, and come to mobile XTM and paste it here. And at last, you need to give where www HTML. So we are mounting to HTML path, guys. So previously we installed HTTPD web server. So we are mounting to that HTTPD web server. So you need to give this path. Enter. So when I hit df-h, you can see our EFS has been mounted to where www HTML. So when I come here, when I hit df-h, we didn't mount it here, guys. So it will not show. Let's copy NFS client and come here and paste it here. And at last you need to give slash where www html. You need to give same like this, guys, and press enter. So when I hit df-h, previously here you can see it was not showing our EFS. Now here you can see it was showing our EFS. It was mounted to where www HTML path. So let's clear the screen, and here also let's clear the screen, and let's go to where www HTML path. So cd where www HTML. So when I hit enter, so here you can see it was showing two files previously. Before we are working in two different EC2 instances. So there we created this directory one and file one. So it was showing here, guys. Let's remove this. First, let's come here and cd where www HTML. And when I hit ll, here also it will show. So let's do rm-rf star. Star indicates to it will remove all files, guys, all files and directories. So when I hit ll, we don't have any files. So here also when I hit ll, we don't have any files in our EFS. So let's clear the screen, and let's create index.html file, guys. PIM index.html. So now when I hit enter, we need to write anything. So I'm writing hello Vijay, this is EFS, and I'm saving this. So let's come here. So when I hit ll, here you can see index.html. Now let's try to access, guys. Copy public IPv4 address and open new tab and paste it here, guys, and enter, and copy EFS2 also, copy public IPv4 address and paste it here, guys. Paste it here and enter. So it was not loading, guys. Let's check security groups. So your connection was interrupted. Let's go to instances, and let's go to security, and let's go to security groups, and here you can see we have only given for SSH. That's why uh, we have only access to SSH. So we need to give add rule, and first we need to select NFS. You need to select NFS, and the default port number of NFS is 2049, and you need to select 0.0.0/0, anyone from anywhere from can access. And now we need to select, previously we installed HTTP web server, and we have mounted our EFS to where www HTML path. So in security groups we need to give port inbound rules to security groups also, guys. So you need to select add rule, and here you need to select HTTP, and the default port number of HTTP is 80, guys. So here also I'm selecting 0.0.0/0. So from anywhere from, sorry, anyone from anywhere can access. So we need to select save rule. So here you can see we have given three rules. 80 is for SSH, 22 is for, sorry, 80 is for HTTP, 22 is for SSH, NFS is 2049. This is for EFS, guys. Remember this. When you are creating EFS, you need to give access to 2049 port. That means NFS. So let's come here and let's reload this, guys. Let's reload this, and let's reload this. And you can see, guys, now it was working. Hello Vijay, this is EFS. So when I come here and when I reload this, hello Vijay, this is EFS. So this is how security groups also works, guys. You need to give access to HTTP port. So because I was mounted our EFS to where www HTML path, so I have given port access to 80, and NFS is 2049. This is for EFS. So let's come to here and let's remove these, guys. rm-rf index.html. So when I hit here ll, we don't have any file. So here also automatically it will remove, guys. So we don't have any file. So let's do one thing, guys. Let's remove, sorry, let's deploy any of the website. So HTML and CSS website templates. We need to select this, guys. And here, first I will come to roots, guys. So here, right now I'm not in where www html path, guys. Have come out, guys, and let's download this. So let's download this Medi Plus application. Open this, copy link address. I will come here using wget command. I will download that. Paste, enter. So when I hit LL, you can see it was downloaded, and we need to unzip this, guys. Unzip Medi Plus. Let's clear the screen, LL, and you can see this is the unzipped file. And let's now enter into this directory cd Medi Plus. So when I hit LL, these are all the files, guys. So let's move this all files to our EFS path. That means where www html path. So So just listen, guys. We are moving this all files in this EC2 instance. You can see 37.126. Let's come here and let's go to instances. Here you can see right now we are in EFS. That means we are in instance 1 37.126. At last you can see IPv4 address is 37.126. Here you can see 37.126. We are moving this all files in this instance, so it will automatically, using EFS, it will automatically share this all files to instance. That means EFS2 also, guys. That means instance 2 also. You can see move star to where www html. So here when I hit LL, we don't have any files, guys. So let's clear this screen. Now let's go to EFS path, guys. So cd where www html. And when I hit LL, you can see, guys, all these files. So when I come here and when I reload this, when I hit LL, you can see all these files has been uh, transferred here. This is the power of EFS, guys. So when I come here and let's remove this and let's open this. So when I reload this, you can see Medi Plus application is automatically opening. You can see. So when I come here and when I reload this, it will automatically open Medi Plus application. So this is how EFS work, guys. So you can work in one EC2 instance and it will automatically transfer your data and all the files in another EC2 instances, guys. So here you can see, here right now we are created only two EC2 instances, or else if you are created hundreds of EC2 instances using EFS, you can touch this EFS to hundreds of EC2 instances and you can change in one EC2 instance, guys. So it will automatically transfer that all the files and all the folders, it may be anything, it will transfer to all the EC2 instance, guys. And this is the power of EC2 instances. You can see we have changed in, we have deployed this application in one EC2 instance. That means one EFS path, so it will automatically transfer to all the EC2 instances. And yes, guys, this is all about this video. And let's come to EFS. And I want to tell you something, guys. After completing this video, you need to remove this EFS, guys, because EFS will charge some of the money from you, because this is a not because this is not free. It will charge some of the amount from you, guys. So to remove this, directly select this, and you need to select delete, guys. And here you can see confirm the deletion by entering the file system ID. So you need to copy this up to here, copy and paste it here. And you need to select confirm. And you can see deleting mount targets for EFS. So it was deleting mount targets. That means it will delete to these two mount targets, guys. So let's come here. So when it was deleted, automatically these two also will not work, guys. So let's reload this. You can see our EFS has been removed. Now it will also will not work, guys. You can see it was continuously loading. Because of cache, it was working, guys. Let's remove this and let's copy public IPv4 address. Let's paste it here again. It will not work, guys, now. You can see it was loading, but it will not work. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. It will not work, guys, because we removed our HTTP, sorry, we removed our EFS, guys. You can see we don't have EFS, we removed this. So this is how you can do, guys. And this is all about this video, guys. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.